Good day to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Card. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself in the Forex niche. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips, then make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you go live on your real account. Okay, if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So today we'll be looking at how we can have some trading opportunity to trade. Okay, how we can have some trading opportunity to trade. Like I have explained to you before, all these assets are trend trading assets, and if you must trade it, then you must be able to know the trend of the market at that particular time, because that will help you to know when it is trending and when it is not. Okay, probably for you to know when you should buy and when you should sell. Okay, so quickly, as you can see, we are on downtrend. It gave us a buy signal here just few seconds ago, and it's led to a small spike, and right now the market is still trying to sell because we are on sell signal. We got a sell signal here, so rather we've got a sell signal here, so it means that the general trend of the market is on downtrend, so we can come in and place some trade. Let's see how much we will be able to make from today's trade. Okay, so I'll be placing a few trades right now, just for you to see the way it works. Okay, I'm going to use 5.0. okay, lot size. So I will place a few trades right now. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the results at the end of the day. I'm going to show you the results at the end of this video. Okay, so I'll be placing these trades right now so that you all will see how it works. Okay, let me see the number of trades placed already. um okay, the trade is still going. I'm happy I'm doing this live and direct. I love doing a live trading session like this with you guys once in a while, just for you to know when to place the trade and when to exit the trade. Okay, so it's not all about teaching. Then we should have a little time for ourselves to educate each other on how to trade successfully. Okay, on how to trade successfully. Okay, my trades are going already. They are going already, so I'm going to show you the results very soon. Okay, I think I can still place. I want it to break out from this support zone, from this small support zone. Of course, it won't really have much effect because I'm still in downtrend. So let me place more trades. Okay, I'm selling. Okay, I'm placing multiple trades because I'm going to give you the reasons why I'm placing multiple trades. One, because I am sure of the general trend of the market. Two, because the general trend of the market just started, so it shows that it is going to go for a very long time. Then three is because what was it called, the trading capital I'm using is strong enough to hold all my trades. Okay, it is strong enough to hold all my trades. Okay, as you can see, all my trades are not placed at the same place. I have a good reason for that. The reason is that I'm checking out each of these support level that will be broken. Okay, so actually you can do this for any of these assets. I love taking advantage on whatever assets I have. Okay, you can see this is on downtrend also for crash 500. The downtrend started from here, and you can see it started crashing from there, and it has been crashing. So you don't buy at this particular point, because even if you must buy, that means it must be um you must be scalping at that particular point, because the trend is on downtrend. Then the next thing is, okay, let's check more. Okay, for boom 1000, you can see it's changed to uptrend here. It's changed to uptrend there, and it has been spiking since then after a very long downtrend. You can see what I'm talking about. Check out this long downtrend starting from here, and it went down, came up a bit, and still went down till it's changed the direction of the trend. Okay, let's check crash 1000. Let's check crash 1000. Let's see what is happening. Okay, crash 1000, it is just going on uptrend. Okay, it came out with exit arrow. This is for short period trade, but check it out, the market is on uptrend, so I can still place more order with this because the market is on uptrend. So let me place a buy order with this. I'm going to place more. Okay, so that we get to see that you can trade at, this is just what I do every day. That is why, most especially when you have large capital, all these indicator makes it very easy for you to to trade with, because all you just need to do is just to set it up on the four charts. That is 1000 for boom and crash, 1000 for 1000, that is, you set it up on boom 1000 and crash 1000, boom 500 and crash 500, and you monitor it. You don't need to even stay for long before you start milking your profit. And once you are sure of the trend, then um you can stay for a very long time. So far you are using a reasonable lot size. Okay, I think I will, at this moment I can still close a few trades at this moment. Okay, so let's see, I just want you to see that we are making good profits with this. Okay, so that is the way it works. That is the way it works. And I'm going to share the results with you at the end of this video. Okay, so that you will get to see how it works. Okay, so that you will get to see how it works. You can leave it for a very long time, but because of the video that I am doing, I don't want the time to be too long. I may not be able to leave it for a very long time. Okay, so let's see the way it goes. Anyway, let's see the way it goes. Let's see how much we can make with this at the end of the day. Let's see how much we can make with this at the end of the day. So you just need to be assured that you are coming in at the right time. You need to be sure of the trend. The same thing is applicable for spikes trading. Also, the same thing is applicable for it, so you can always do that anytime, any day. Okay, anytime, any day. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the results. You'll be surprised what the results will give us at the end of the day. You'll be surprised what the results will give us at the end of the day. So that is how amazing it is. It is going to be for a very long time. So let me leave it, let me allow it to go for a very long time so that we see the results together. Okay guys, as we can see, so many trades, the trade has gone so down. We started from here and it has gone down. I've closed some. That is why I opened them in batches So I closed some, and each time I get a spike I come in again. Okay, so and for the other one too, I have also close them. So right now I think the video is getting longer. Of course I can leave it open till the end of the trend because the trend is yet to come to an end. Okay, so let me close some and show you the results at the end of the day. And as you can see, the QDC scraper indicator, the main indicator on the main chart, already shows us an exit arrow. Okay, that we should exit the market because it's about approaching this same support level that it has been spiking from. So let's quickly close some of the trades, and I will be going to the mobile platform to do that, and I will be going to the mobile platform also to show you the results of some of these trades that we actually did today. Okay, I'm closing it right now. I'm closing it right now. So as you can see, it is reflecting on the screen right now. I will close them one after the other right away. I need to be very fast about this because it is already around the support level. Of course, if it spikes, it only gives me an opportunity to come in again because this the what was it called, the trend is still red, so I can still come in again. Okay, till it is telling me that the direction of the trend is changing from downtrend to uptrend. So I am closing them right now, but if it spiked along the line I can leave it open because I'm sure that it will definitely come back to profits. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I've closed almost everything, just having a few left. Okay, it's almost getting to that same support level. It can spike any moment from now, so I need to have them closed totally before it gets there. But even if it spike, I will leave it open. I only have one left to close, so let me close it now. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to share my screen, my mobile screen with you and show you the results at the end of this video. Okay, I'm going to share it with you. So thank you very much for staying with me till the end of this live trading session. So I will be stopping here right now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now and click on the notification bell and set it to all notifications so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. You can see this is a live trading session. We did it together and we closed everything together. I am happy we were able to achieve this together. So I will be stopping here right now. If you're having this setup, this is QDC scraper indicator. If you're having it, practice what we have explained today and put it into practice. Thank you and God bless you. So let's go to the mobile platform to share with you the results of this trade. This is the mobile platform and I will be sharing with you the results of some of these trades, of some of the trades that we took. I'll be sharing with you the results. Okay, so like I said, once you understand the trend of the market, then you will be able to trade it successfully. And when you use a reasonable lot size for the exact trading capital that you have, then you will be able to make some profit for yourself. So this is how it works. So you need to make sure you do it rightly in order to achieve a successful trading activity. So let's check it out. You can see, as you can see, these are the trades we took today and during the live trading session, and that actually gave us 1,225 profits in today's trade. You can see they are all blues. I can go, there are some that's gave us over, you can, this actually gave us $131, $113, another $113, this is another $114. So those ones actually went for a very long time. So that is the way it works. You can see it, it's actually gave us $1,201 at the end of the day. That is 100%, I mean, that is pure profit, 100% pure profit, apart from the trading capital. So I'll be stopping here. Remember, if you love this video, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. This is the way I've been making my money every day, so you can do the same thing. And it is based on my trading capital, and it is also based on the lot size I use, okay, and the indicator I use, which is QDC scraper indicator, and it helps me to know the exact trend of the market. You can see that I open most of these orders at different places, and once I notice that it has break another support level, I come in again, I open, I can close the previous ones to keep my profits, and that is the way I do it. And there are some times that I left it for a very long time, like this. It was for long, this was for long, this was for long. I can also leave it for a very long time. The trend is still going down already, so we don't even need to close the trade at that particular time. But I just had to do so in order to end this video and to show you the results of this video, okay, of the trading. So I'll be stopping here for now. Remember, it is necessary you subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so, and if you have any question, my contact details are in the description box below this video. Thank you and God bless you.